Let's talk about identity verification. Identity verification means confirming that the customer's identity documents are genuine and belong to them. This usually includes government issued ID, photograph verification, name matching. As an analyst, you should ask, does the name match exactly? Are spelling differences justified? Is the photo clear and matching? You must look for fake documents, altered documents, expired documents, blurred or cropped images. A very important mindset is never assume documents are genuine just because they look official. Criminals often use fogged IDs, stolen identities, manipulated documents. Your role is to verify carefully, escalate doubts, document observations. Even small mismatches matter in KYC.